Dumelang baretsi ko ga the one and only your favorite voice on radio, Perfect Hlungwane. Today was not just another day on the calendar, it was a statement, a bold move. Say Pyramid Crew Funerals is here. Come on, trust me when I tell you that Lihurudzi, Dinokana, Khopane, Borakalo, they were doing the most, and I am 100% sure and I decree we are opening a fully fledged branch with its own moshari go Zerast. One from Bretz, Rustenburg, Uzor, Zerast, Uzor Mafikeng, Renalewen, Tate Gentle Mashopane. Mr. Mashopane, sir.
Yes, sir. Baretiko Rai, Dumelang, Kaliduminisa, Kalibitola, the glove boy.
Today was not just about the roadshow. Today was a statement.
Today was a historic moment.
Welcome to Zerast, the home of
Zerast is the home of the glove boys. No Moshari had ever done this, so that they can have the brand with them.
So every police represents a household that won't be left stranded when tragedy strike. Avilega ka Pyramid Crew Funerals. But yo. Hey, why is Lena Begereke batla we join up, be part of the movement? Because this is a big movement. We're in this journey together. Time flies when you're having fun. Yeah. No. Dumelang baretsi go gae, dumelang setšhaba sa morena, dumelang lona baratiwa ba modimo, dumelang lona le le ratiwa ke nna. The one and only your favorite voice on radio, Perfect Hlungwane. Baretsi go gae, you are tuned into the Platinum Voice. Hey. Exciting news. No, today's show is going to be epic. Trust me. If Boro you want to change, trust me, around 6:30, I'll be talking to the CEO of Pyramid Crew Funerals. Just to get a glimpse of what happened today. Because Zerast, I guess we know today that no man, Bashimana Badit Love, we're invading Zerast today. So around 6:30, I'll be talking to the CEO live on air. What was the response and what are people saying? Hi. Baretiko Hi, you are tuned into a trusted space where compassion meets professionalism, where we keep you connected to everything happening at Pyramid Crew Funerals. Today's episode, as I said, is filled with excitement, inspiration, and growth. We are taking you behind the scenes of some of our greatest activations, community engagements, and incredible momentum that we are building for the road to 30,000 active policies. If you just joined me now, unfortunately, Ntate Dlamini, he was leading the convoy there. Go Zerast. He's still on his way back. I hope I'll get to talk to him around 1:45 as well. But yeah. Hey, from a powerful outreach in Zerast, a major brand expansion and stories of service excellence, we've got a celebration. We've got a lot that we need to celebrate. We've got a lot. So whether you're a client, curious listener, or someone looking to join Pyramid family, today's episode, ke ya gago. Trust me when I say to you, mark this day on your calendar. It is one of the biggest roadshows that we've ever done, community outreach that we've ever done. It's a milestone. Today was not just another day on the calendar. It was a statement, a bold move, a loud voice in the community, and a message to say Pyramid Crew Funerals is here. We are here to serve. Whether ugo Zerast, whether ugo Mafikeng, whether ugo Madikwe, ugo Boxburg, ugo Carltonville, ugo Guyana, ugo Rustenburg, ugo Bretz. Trust me when I say we are here to serve. There's nothing that we are scared of. We're here to give your family a dignified funeral service. We are calling it the Zerast Invasion, one of our biggest marketing events to date and a major step on our journey to reach 30,000 active policies by December 2025. And I am 100% sure and I decree and I declare, I decree and I declare, by December 2025, we would have surpassed the 30,000 active policies in our books. So today, the team that was in Zerast, they were in the ground. Come on, trust me when I tell you that Lihuruz, Dinokana, Hopane, Borakallo, they were doing the most. Something that was never done before. Something that you've never seen before. Trust me when I say, if you were there, if you saw them today, you are happy. Wherever you are happy. Wherever you are asking about them. Wherever you are, but I'll join. The response there, quite epic. Quite epic. But what the team did, we did not just show up and refer to the pamphlet. It was a commitment. It was just a statement of us ensuring and engaging with Batho mo grounding. We are here because the office, the satellite office that we had there, we have listened. People have spoken and we have listened to say, you know what? The office, the satellite office, people that are saying, no, it's too small, no, we're traveling far, but to baruna baya Hagala, Koloi, Tanse Itlo, go Rustenburg and stuff like that. Bona, we listened and we responded and we said, we are opening a fully fledged branch with its own Moshar go Zerast. Today was not just about the roadshow. Today was a statement. Today we're telling you, Baretoko High, we're telling you and your loved ones, whether bako Mafikeng, whether bako Rustenburg, whether bako Madikwe, whether we're saying Koluna, we're saying to you as a family member that you need to bury your loved ones. We're saying Koluna, we've got you covered. Now, what does a fully fledged mortuary mean? It means local service, local storage, faster turnaround times, more dignity right at your doorstep. Come on. If you are in and around Zerast, trust me when I tell you, trust me when I say to you, the service has just been brought to your doorstep. The service has just been brought to your doorstep. No, anything and everything that Oibatlang, it's just at your doorstep now. So if you saw our pyramid team today, more villaging, more ranking, thank you for the love, support, and energy. And if you didn't get the chance to connect with them, don't worry. Rabua, Rachiga, it's a turnaround. Because the road to 30,000 active policies runs through every village, every home, every family. And Zerast is just reminded us that we're on the right path. We're on the right journey. Hey, I'm telling you, trust me when I say we're invading N4. I want from Bretz, Rustenburg, Uzur, Zerast, Uzur Mafikeng, Renalewena. Hey, Rutsweri. We don't want to let you go. Re batla ufa dilo tse di siameng, dilo tse di sharp. Ba re go gae jaaka ke le tshepisitse gore around 6:30 re tla be re bua le rem tsamaiso wa go Pyramid Group Funerals. Ntate Gentle Mashopane. Mr. Mashopane, sir.
Yes, sir. The perfect one.
How are you, sir?
Good evening. Good evening, my brother, and good evening to the listeners. Go hi, Dumelang. The Glove Boys.
Yeah. Ntate Gentle. Jaka be ke bua le baretse go gae kere today's invasion go Zerast was very massive. So kere no, let's get a chance re bua le wena live on air o re fe gore what was the experience, what was happening, how was the people responding to the roadshow?
I think today was a historic moment, man. It was, we did something that had never been done by Funeral Parlor. We led a convoy of over 25 cars.
Yeah.
And we had our gifting our people with the pyramid t-shirts, man, so that they can have the brand with them. And the response. We started, when we entered Zerast, I want to shout out the traffic cops at Zerast. They were waiting for us. They escorted us through. I really want to appreciate that because to control the traffic there. And we went to the various villages in Zerast, man. Hopane, Dinokane, Luhuruti, it was like the response. People love the brand, my brother.
Yeah.
And the reception was phenomenal, man. It was heartwarming, man. Looking at elderly and the children. Just, when you're driving past,
Yeah.
the one way you see that people know the Glove Boys, you'll see them doing the hand gestures.
Yeah.
That's where you know we're home. We're home, man. It was a fantastic day today.
So a few weeks back, I proposed to Baretsego High Khore. I think we should erect a board there saying, "Welcome to Zeras, the home of."
We definitely want to do that. I mean, like, we looked at various billboards that we're gonna. Like, today it proved that Zeras is the home of Pyramid, bro.
Definitely.
Zeras is the home of the Glove Boys. So we are gonna erect a couple of billboards just telling the people that no, we're at home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's great. That's great. Baring boko kokwa.
That's so happy. I mean, like, that smile when you give your granny a shirt.
Yeah.
Like, like that level of gratitude that they showed and the love they have for the brand, my brother. It was fantastic, man. It was hard on me. I mean, like, this had never been done by any mortuary ever in the history. And as you know, as the Glove Boys, we always move the band. They will copy.
Yeah.
They will copy. They will, and we're happy because we were leading them. Like, we're leading from the front, and what a very young, innovative team.
Yeah.
So we're always coming with these innovative ways of reaching and making the brand be known, man. I mean, I want to shout out to the marketing team led by Kamukhelo, man.
Yeah.
They did a lot of groundwork.
Yeah.
A lot of groundwork, man. And that was like, I mean, like, today when you see that people were expecting us, man. We're expecting us, and the excitement when they see the Glove Boys convoy, it was out of this world, man.
To prove that we're very innovative funeral parlor, I don't think there's any other mortuary that has ever went to market with a brass band.
No. Yes, we had to see Yale Brass Band, man. Yeah, that's the problem. Yale Brass Band was the entertaining the masses. And you know how batho ba rona ba mo gae Batswana ba ratang brass band ka?
Yes.
Yeah, the excitement, the dancing, you are like, no mortuary had ever done this. How many more they will copy?
Yeah.
Tell them to watch and learn. They know they're gonna copy, but I mean, like, it was a brilliant day. It was really, really never been done before.
Yeah. No, thank you so much. Thank you so much, and that gentle. No, thank you so much, and travel safe coming back from Zeras. We wish you all the best. We wish you all the best, man. But let's go high. I get a little or no. Ntwe zanke yetsi ke moshare engwe ke lantla le go Zeras le a itse gore ntwe I know very massive and very powerful. But let's go high. From me to you, I'd like to thank you. Ke a itse gore be le ba SMS-ela le ba chaela ba bangwe ba go Zeras ko mafikeng gore no man o tloela hey o tloela ka di 16 ka Wednesday bashimane ba go Pyramid they will be go Zeras, they will be invading Zeras. No, nothing like this has ever been done before. Le utlwile from the CEO himself. But what I like for Batho ba go Zeras, what does this mean now? Bringing these services closer. It means a dignity, access, and trust in rural communities. It means now we're gonna engage le batho ba go magaeng. We're gonna be closer to them. Now we're gonna bring them a more dignified funeral service that is closer to them. Come on, guys, trust me when I tell you to say, Pyramid Group Funerals. Aye. If it's not green, it's not us. Because the reason for our commitment is to expand in rural areas and semi-rural areas. And the expansion is not just about growth, it's about doing justice and access and honor to Baba Joiner Pyramid Group Funerals. Far too long, families in places like Borakalo, Hopane, Lehorutsi, Dunokana, and other outlying communities had to travel long distance. They had to travel far, but go Rustenburg or go as far as Mafikeng just to get good and better services. But trust me when I say to you, that has come to an end. Today, we made a commitment and a statement to Baretsego High gore You know, this delays, extra cost, unnecessary emotional strain, they are no longer gonna be a toll on you as a listener, on you as Mutu or joining the Pyramid Group Funerals, and you are living in and around Zerast. Trust me when I'm saying to you, Pyramid Group Funerals is all about bringing you change. It's just about leading in the funeral industry, because we want to show more of dignity, affordability, access, trust, and our presence. Go Barreti, go high, go Luna, go Zerast, go Luna, go Mafikeng, ko Luna, go Rustenburg, go Breds. I mean, I can count all the branches that we have. Ko Madiko, kwa re o latela le ko Carltonville, o sa re o re shebile ka fa re o latela ko Boksburg. Trust me when I say to you, this is not just a mortuary. We are people that want to take you in the journey of a healing process. We are part of that journey. When you heal, we want to say we were part of that healing journey. Now, what does dignity look like? With our expanded presence in areas like Zerast, we are restoring dignity to families. No more rushed funerals or poor service because of distance. Families now can say goodbye with pride in their hometown and in their own community. Now, let's talk about the access. We're bringing services closer, not just offices, but a fully fledged mortuary, transport and support staff, so families don't need to go to Rustenburg, Mafikeng to get professional help. We want to get closer to the people that we're serving, to the people that we've made a commitment to, because us being closer, we're saying go Barreti, go high. We're saying to people that have joined us, we're saying we're there in your time of need. Because in the time of your of hardness, we're there to walk the journey with you. We're there by your side. If kabe we are the crutches to get up on your feet and stand now and walk the journey with you. Because we know healing is not just a process that can be rushed. It's not just about muthu tsamaya fela gore wa tsoga wa tsamaya. No. It's about the journey. It's not a marathon. It's not a sprint, but it's a journey. It takes time. So every time after ubulukile runa, when you see that Kaya pyramid, we want you to say to yourself, these are the people that help me throughout the journey. Why is this thing tshwana le if usa if ujoinile pyramid wabona ukufeza kwamadinga means now to achieve those things that pyramid does, you know, like dignified funeral service, which is, you know, just a given. It's a given. We don't have to go an extra mile. We don't. That's why we don't proudly say we're going an extra mile by giving you a dignified. No. It's in our DNA. It's in our DNA. It's embedded in us. So you must know. So many of you like why 30,000? The purpose behind the target. Why? So at Pyramid Group Funerals, we've set ourselves a bold and ambitious goal to reach 30,000 active policies by the end of this year, which is December 2025, right? And what the boots are like, but why 30,000? So this number isn't just a target in our books. It's a commitment to the people and a call to action, a symbol of how deeply we believe in the power of preparation. I get what the boots are like. So let's break it down for you. Number one, it's about protecting more families. We're saying we see that there's a gap. There's a lot of families that are not protected. So we're saying we want to fulfill that gap. We want to step in and we want to come in and be part of the family and say we want to protect more people. We want more people in our books. By the end of December, we want to have protected 30,000 families. You understand? So every policy represents a household that won't be left stranded when tragedy strikes. That's 30,000 families who will be covered, comforted, and cared for when they need us the most and when they need it the most. So number two, it strengthens our ability to serve better. Because when we don't have a goal, we're just fumbling. Re tla be re bua fela gore no, we've got people that were giving dignified service, but how many? How many? Because we've identified that there's a gap that now we need to fill. And we need to come in and say, these families are the ones that are stranded. These families are the ones that don't have a mortuary. These families are the ones that need a dignified funeral service. So now, the more families we cover, the more resources we can invest in our branches, mortuary staff, and outreach, especially in rural and semi-rural areas. More policies means stronger infrastructure, faster and more dignified services. That's us. That's what we want to bring to you. Number 3, the 30,000, it means to us, it builds a movement, not just a client base. We're not just about selling funeral cover. No. We're changing how people think about planning ahead. Because when you plan ahead now, that means you're one step ahead than anyone in your league. Again, la itse le go di family ka dinako tse di so mang a tlhogofetse da wa bua gore nna be ke sa mokhafa mshana o khavilwe ke ma then le wena wa tlhagela gore no o khavilwe ke nna ke mokhavile ka Pyramid Group Funerals, but yo hey wa itse le nna be ke batla o joina wa itse le nna. That means now wena in that family, in your family, you're one step ahead of everyone. You understand? So number 4, it gives us the power to negotiate and partner better. With a growing member base, we're able to secure better deals, offer stronger packages, and give more back to the community that we serve. So that when you guys come, literally, makwalo at the donation, makwalo at the sponsorship, now having us build that 30,000 active members in our books, now it gives us more leverage, more power to say, no, we can support you, we can do this for you, we can do this and that for you. Again, but it's go high. Trust me when I say it's not just a mortuary, it's a consortium. We've always been saying it. I'm sure no man, this thing is just it's not any other mortuary, man. If it's not green asibona le matsogo mo tseleng wa bona or no mara ala ka ra lapile se wona a pyramid wa bona gore no ba ke bona ba le dikoloi the way di tlhagela ga teng le convoy the way move ga teng le set up go mabitleng the way di tsoga teng wa bona gore no man. No, bagibona, because it's all about the statement, the boldness, and the cementation that we want to build with the trust that we want to build with you as a listener, with you as a leader in the community, with you as a leader, Mokereking, to say, now by December 2025, we want to have joined people, but by 30,000 active mo systeming ya rona mo dibukeng tsa rona that we want to protect and save. Again, so when we say now we're working towards 30,000 active policies, it's not just about chasing a number. It's about making sure that no child buries a parent without dignity. We don't want that. That no grandmother lies in a mortuary for weeks due to unpaid costs. No, we don't want that. And that no family faces financial ruin while mourning. Imagine no wa tlhagela ba re no re batla ditšhelete tse di kana or yo mawe ke tla tsa ka ditšhelete kana. But it's about building a culture of preparation and protection together, remogo on the same boat. As a new, wanna say to you, let's prepare because we're on a journey. Again, so if you haven't joined us yet, this is your moment. This is a call to action. Be part of the 30,000 people that will be active in our policy, in our system. Be part of the movement because this is a big movement. There's no other mortuary that has ever had this kind of movement than us, than Pyramid Group Funerals. You know what? Trust me when I say to you, this thing, asimayemo, artameki. We're here to stay and we're here to build. We're here to protect and we're here to serve. If you are tuned in and you still have not joined, hey, Aye. Trust me when I say you are missing out. Trust me when I say you are missing out. You are missing out. I don't want you to miss out on this deal. You know, it's easy to join. You can just SMS Pyramid to 41237, which you'll get a call. You can just go to www.pyramidgroupfunerals.co.za. You join. You go to our nearest branches where you are. You join. You get one of our trained and professional staff to help you. Joiner. So if you have not joined now, hi, it's at your own accord. It's at your own doing. Trust me when I say so today marked a significant a moment in Zerast, where I believe the traffic stood still, people were joyful, people were celebrating, villages were shaken, and people saw the commitment that we want to bring to Tobago Zerast. But it's not only about Zerast, it's about wherever we go in Perry. It is just that now we're opening that Moshargo Zerast because Tobago Zerast, they have cried and they have spoken and they've been long waiting and saying, no, we want a moshari here because we are your people and you are our people. So we want to say to them, we're in this journey together. So today, I just want to say to you, if you've not joined, you are one step behind and we are 2 steps ahead of you. And just like that, this now but it's true that time flies when you're having fun, you know. I tell you. So, and just like that, now that brings us to the end of another powerful episode of Pyramid Lounge. If you did not know, you were tuned into Pyramid Lounge with your host, Perfect Hlungwane. Today, we took you on the ground with us during the one of our biggest marketing activations yet in Lihurutsi, Dinokana, Khopane, Borakalo, and in the heart of Zerast, the Kopas Rank. We spoke about how this and more of our outreach will come and benefit you as a listener, as mutu onna go Zerast, as mutu onna in and around Zerast, as mutu onna go Mafikeng, as mutu onna go Rustenburg. So we also shared some exciting news of our Zerast branch expansion, which is the Moshar. Soon it will be operational. And let's not forget you as a listener, that you've spoken about us, go the ranking, go the texting, go the passing, go the colleagues in Sahara to say, hey, ligile la ibona pyramid buluka, ligile la ibona pyramid fita ga dikoloi, ligile la babona bashimana ba ditlove. Baretse go high from your host, Perfect Hlungwane. I just like to say, stay safe, stay warm. Up until next week. Ay, arkopane.